Why aren't more people talking about this cleaning trick? The one trick that actually saves your security deposit. Am I the only one who learned it the hard way? Okay, quick roadmap for moving day cleaning you'll follow. Start with a plan before you touch anything. Work top to bottom so dirt falls and gets cleaned. Do it room by room to stay organized and efficient. Tip 1. Tackle the kitchen first, where inspections start. Degrease the stove until knobs and surfaces shine. Wipe inside the microwave, including turntable and seals. Clean cabinet fronts to remove grease and fingerprints. Run the dishwasher empty with cleaner to make it sparkle. Tip 2. Bathrooms matter. They're inspected closely for cleanliness. Scrub grout lines until brightly clean and mold-free. Descale shower heads to remove buildup and improve water flow. Clean behind the toilet. Inspectors always check hidden spaces. Polish the mirror until it sparkles for big visual impact. Tip 3. Floors are inspected closely for damage and dirt. Vacuum carpets thoroughly, focusing edges and under furniture. Steam clean carpets when stains or heavy soiling exist. Mop hard floors with appropriate cleaner and dry quickly. Tip 4. Walls and trim deserve small fixes now. Patch holes with spackle for a smooth wall finish. Sand patched areas to blend with surrounding paint seamlessly. Touch up paint where needed to erase noticeable marks. Tip 5. Windows and blinds make a big impression. Wash windowsills and tracks to remove grime and dust. Remove fingerprints and smudges from glass for spotless windows. Dust blinds and wipe slats until they look new. These 5 tips help you keep your deposit. Like, subscribe. No time to clean? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning at 256-633-6332 or visit bearbroscleaning.com.